You've just discovered a new way to invest in crypto, or maybe you need a reliable platform for international transactions. You stumble upon Uphold, and it looks perfect. But then, a nagging question hits you: can I even use this in Nigeria? That's the question we're diving into today. Let's be real, navigating the world of digital finance in Nigeria can be complicated. You've got fluctuating exchange rates, regulatory shifts, and the constant worry of whether a platform is actually accessible. You're not alone in wondering if Uphold fits into this puzzle. Uphold, for those who might not know, is a multi-asset platform. It's designed to let you trade and hold various assets, cryptocurrencies, fiat currencies, even precious metals, all in one place. It's touted for its ease of use and the sheer variety of assets it supports. Sounds pretty good, right? But here's the thing: availability and functionality can vary wildly from country to country. What works smoothly in the US or Europe might face hurdles elsewhere. So, let's break down the situation for Nigeria. First off, the good news. Uphold does officially support users in Nigeria. You can create an account, verify your identity, and access a range of their services. This is a significant plus, considering many international platforms either restrict or outright ban Nigerian users due to regulatory concerns and perceived risks. However, just because it's supported doesn't mean it's a seamless experience. There are a few key points to consider. One major factor is funding your account. While Uphold offers various deposit methods, some might be less convenient or more expensive for Nigerians. Bank transfers can be slow and subject to local banking regulations, and using debit or credit cards might incur higher fees. You'll need to check the specific options available to you within the platform and compare them carefully. Another consideration is the specific assets you're interested in. While Uphold offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies, some less common or newer tokens might not be available in Nigeria. Always double-check the asset list within your account to avoid disappointment. Then there's the question of regulations. Nigeria's stance on cryptocurrencies has been evolving, to put it mildly. While there's no outright ban, the Central Bank of Nigeria has issued warnings and restrictions on banks facilitating crypto transactions. This can indirectly affect your ability to move funds to and from Uphold. And of course, there's the ever-present issue of internet connectivity and reliability. Anyone who's tried to make a crucial online transaction in Nigeria knows the frustration of a sudden drop in connection. Uphold, like any online platform, relies on a stable internet connection for smooth operation. So, what's the verdict? Can you use Uphold in Nigeria? Yes, you can. But it's not without its caveats. You'll need to be prepared for potential challenges related to funding, asset availability, and regulatory uncertainties. Do your homework. Carefully review Uphold's terms and conditions, especially those related to Nigerian users. Look for any hidden fees or restrictions. Check online forums and communities for user experiences specific to Nigeria. This can give you a real-world perspective beyond the platform's official information. And always prioritize security. Enable two-factor authentication, use strong passwords, and be cautious about sharing your account details. The digital space can be risky, and you need to protect yourself. Ultimately, whether Uphold is the right choice for you depends on your individual needs and risk tolerance. If you're looking for a platform that offers a broad range of assets and are willing to navigate the potential challenges, it could be a viable option. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.